So good morning everyone, here with the puppies and Mama Judith. So I've only just done a bed swap, so she's only just come back in, which is why they're all curled up in the corner. I've realised I've got a problem and that problem is, I've said all along the puppy I keep from Judith was going to be half Werner. Oh, sorry Jude. Let me get a bit more comfy. Hey Jude. Fine, great. But the Kennel Club is still being extraordinarily slow with bringing out the registration papers. And Jude has got multiple colours of, you know, she's got liver and black spot puppies. So if I say gave half Werner Hey Jude to a black spot girl and then I decide to keep a liver spot girl, then I haven't got half Werner Hey Jude, if you see what I mean. So I haven't quite decided how I'm going to overcome that, because it took about 5 weeks for the registration papers to come through from the last litter. I've never I've never sold puppies without their registration papers coming through. So it's not really an option to wait until after hearing tests to decide what one I keep and then register them, because they will have to go home without their papers and then I'd have to send them on, which I really don't want to do. So I think I'm just going to have to pick a group of names that I like and hope for the best. And it might be that if I don't get Hey Jude, somebody who's going to show, like one of the other girls will. So at least Hey Jude will be in the ring. Yeah, they're all doing super, gaining loads of weight, nice chunky puppies. Jude is a softie and she's a good mother. She just loves to clean them. She says, yes, mummy, my puppies, they always need lots of cleaning. So each day, Mr. Black and Miss Red swap round for who's the heaviest puppy. Miss Hart is still the lightest, but she's still gaining. So on average, they're gaining 50 grams a day. Some a bit more. Yeah, you can see the spots starting to come through. I'm checking their collars all the time. So if I can fit the finger through there, I'm quite happy. I don't want anything too tight. Oh, Miss Turquoise, you've gained a little bit of weight overnight. Yeah, I got a question again on Facebook. Am I keeping Miss Hart? Nope. Not keeping Patches for showing. It's just not worth the hassle. And there's spots on that belly. And then the other thing is as well with registration. Normally I wait till at least they're a week, 10 days old. So then you're kind of over the first of the like danger zones of, are they going to get fading puppy syndrome? And then you register them. But with having this litter, and I keep going back and forth on whether Miss Blue is liver spot or not. I just can't decide. Because sometimes I look at her and I'm like, yeah, you are. And other times, no, you're not. Because like part of me thinks, like looking at her ear there, that makes me think she's looking a bit more black. But then you look at her nose, you think maybe she's liver. So I don't know. You see, like she's definitely liver. And so is she. Yeah. Jude loves it when I just come in here and see how she's just put herself right up against me for a cuddle. Because Jude is like super duper cuddly. And she spent so much time, obviously, with her babies. But she's not getting as much cuddle time as normal. And it's quite funny now seeing her outside. Because she's really bouncy and like happy and smiley and like, look, I'm free, I'm not heavy, I can run again. And it's really funny and sweet to see her. There, Jude, you're a good mama. Oh, mister. Here's Mr. Yellow. But yeah, I'm really pleased with them. Some of them look heavier spotted than others from what I can see right now. That's okay. Some people prefer heavy spotted, some people don't. I expected some heavy spotted puppies because Jude is, quite simply. Yeah. I'm really, really excited for the next few weeks and watching this lot develop. And like letting you guys come along for the journey as well of watching them develop and watching them grow. And yeah, maybe we should take bets early on which one I'm going to keep. So I can help you out. It's not going to be a boy and it's not going to be a patch. So that narrows it down to 6 puppies. And I think it's nail day today. I haven't told Helen yet. When is nail day? I tend to hold the puppies and she does the nails. Because my fingers and hands don't like work very well with the arthritis and tendon injury and stuff. So like anything like that is harder for me to do. So if I hold them and then she does the cutting. You're just a little bit too little for the Dremel. And yes, I know, I need to check her collar. I think this definitely needs to go bigger, Miss Blue. There we go. Put a finger through there. So I know it sometimes looks a bit rough the way she flips them around. That's so making sure she's giving them a good wash, which is good. You got some pretty babies, Jude. Yeah, look at how pretty they all are. And you got them in a nice, neat little row. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this one here as well. Yeah, it's funny their spots at this age I always find. It's like they almost look a bit dirty because they're not fully through. But they come in, you know. Ah, Jude. Are you a good mama? Do you love your babies? Do you love your babies, Judith? Yeah, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. Yeah, and I'm mad they're a week old tomorrow. It goes so quick, doesn't it? So quick. But yeah, the ENS stuff is going well. She's eating me out of house and home. And that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah. You pretty girl, Jude. You. Yeah. That's a good girl. She's such a happy dog. You're such a happy soul, aren't you, Jude? It's mad to think, like, you know, it's over 2 years ago she was being born. And now she's a mama. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this here and get on with some jobs. I got both washing machines going, and I got at least another 2 loads to do today of dog stuff. Yeah, Dad's was a bit ill, and he was sick in a couple of the dog beds, so I've had to wash them. And then it's been like raining, so it's a bit harder to dry them, but I don't want to bore you with those sorts of details. Yeah, see you all soon. Bye.